Oh, the truck is here? Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, I am just now talking to you guys. I've been filming here and there about my move. I just wanted to catch you up. It is a Tuesday. I am off work. I just got my hopefully second to the last load of items. All the things I have here in my car are going to the apartment. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come over here, load up my car, and then we're gonna go to a storage unit and see what can fit in there. Then I should be done. Yesterday, the movers came and they moved my furniture items in. I don't have much space at all. The room that I'm leaving is huge. My goal is to minimalize the things that I have. I have a lot of stuff. I held on to those things because there was a huge storage space in there that I didn't have to pay anything extra for. But the owner decided she'd sell her home, so that came unexpectedly. We only had a month to find a place to stay and get moved in, and all of us were kind of scrambling, so it was just a smart thing to do for all of us to stick together. We found a place, but of course, with 3 people with a lot of stuff, moving into an apartment with average size rooms and small walk-in closets, I just don't have the space for what I had before. So I've been watching some minimalist YouTube videos, and I only found one that inspired me. The rest of them is just like, are you happy? And I don't want to be miserable doing that, but I do like the free feeling of not having a whole lot of stuff. But is it worth spending money every month for storage? My storage is $50 a month. Over the year, I'll spend $600. What can I purchase with $600? Not a whole lot. Actually, I think it's kind of worth it. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the apartment, unload these items, and then I'm just gonna give you a visual of what my room looks like at the moment. I have a video of the whole apartment, but we weren't supposed to be there. What happened was we went to the leasing office, and when we got approved for the apartment, we asked, could we see it? And they said, no, we don't allow people to look at the apartment until you actually you signed the lease and you're doing your walkthrough. And when you do your walkthrough, that's when you get to see it for the first time. But you can release yourself from the lease if you don't like it, and you don't lose anything. Like, you get your administration fee back, you just lose your application fee, something like that. Or maybe it's the other way around. You lose your application fee, but you get your administration fee back. So the lady told us, she was like, how about you just go over there and peek in the windows and see what you think? So we went over there. The patio door was open, so we peeked in, and I'll show you that clip. And then I also put a clip because I got scared, because we were looking around the apartment, and for some reason my roommates decided they would dip out on me, and it made me nervous, so I dipped out too. And I was actually in my room at the time when they left, so you didn't really get to see much. So when we actually were doing the real walkthrough, I got a better video of my actual room, so you'll know what a room looked like then, and then I'll show you what my room looks like right now, which it's got furniture in it. And I got rid of a lot of items. I got rid of my wardrobe that I had, like my coats, sweatshirts, and my hoodies in, because the movers damaged it. It was already a flimsy piece of IKEA furniture, but I had 2 old men for movers, and I wanted to film this, but they got on my nerves so bad because they were moving so slow. If they were younger and they had done me the same way, I wouldn't have tipped them. But it was expensive. It was $150 an hour, and I had like 5 pieces of furniture. My stuff was boxed up, and they took the entire 2 hours. Granted, we did go to Goodwill to take my day bed, and the reason I got rid of my day bed is because it's just really bulky, and my room is small, and I just don't have the space for it. I am pulling up to the apartment right now. I'm going to get everything in here and show you the mess I have once I have everything in. And although I've gotten rid of probably half of my belongings at this point, I'm sure I'm gonna get rid of a lot more. All right, so this is what it currently looks like. A bit of a mess. And I need to get my plants out of here so they can get some sunlight. But yesterday I was in such a big rush. I just put them wherever I could. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the car and get the modem and the TV out. That way I can have some TV, Val can have some internet, and then I'm gonna get my mattress in a spot because, like I said, I gave my day bed away, and then I'll unload the car. That way. Got out the shower. Now I'm going to try to tidy up my space because it's really a mess right here. And my closet is here and it's like full of stuff. But I'm gonna try to get everything kind of just, I'd say organized into a corner so when I wake up in the morning, I don't feel weird. And then I can have a cup of coffee and hopefully get my internet turned on because I was not able to get it done. I had it transferred ahead of time. The transfer did not work. I'm too tired to care. I like to look at TV. It relaxes me so I can fall asleep, but that's not an option. I'm just gonna get my sleeping situation comfortable and I'm gonna eat and then go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Because I'm exhausted. The transparency here. My hair is halfway braided. But good morning. I just woke up. I'm still filming on my phone, but I'm gonna have to switch to my vlogging camera because I don't have internet. And because I don't have internet, I'm gonna have to tether from my phone to do a phone. I mean, not a phone interview. I was about to say a phone interview. I did have an interview yesterday. I need to fill out, because it was with a recruiter, and they want me to officially apply for the position at the company. And I wanted to do it yesterday, but I was just so busy trying to get moved in here. So I'm going to use my phone to tether the internet to my laptop so I can do the application, then let him know that I sent it, and then we will head over to the house to get the rest of my belongings, and then we'll head to storage. So, and then I gotta go to my client's house. I got a busy day. I'm gonna fix a cup of coffee and set up my camera and then apply. You will see me fix coffee in a mug, and then all of a sudden you'll see me drinking out of this. And what I do is I fix it in the mug because my Yeti won't fit under the Keurig unless I move the little platform from underneath, and for some reason I just don't like to do that. I microwave it just to get it good and hot, and then I pour it into my Yeti. All right, what I decided to do is just go ahead and do this application real quick because it's that kind of morning. So I'm gonna do this application, then whenever I'm headed over to the house, I'll hop back on here with you guys. Hello. It is currently Friday. I was last on here on Tuesday morning saying I was gonna apply for a job. Oh, come back to the house and get my things, and then go to my client's house. It didn't work out like that. I applied for the job. My client called, said he was ready. I went to his house. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I'm kind of skipping past that part because it was raining. And now it's Friday, and Friday was supposed to be a chill day for me, but it's not. So let's load this car up with the things I have left and take it to storage. This is what I have left. I need to repack this because I couldn't find the lid for this. This was perfect, but there's no lid. And I have these few things in here. That's like trash right there. That's the empty boxes and things, and that is a box that I need to put more stuff in because I don't like how it's packed. So it looks like I have quite a bit of things left, but it's really not that much. And these boxes, like all this is empty. Yeah, this is a really big room. Look at the size of this room. And now I'm in like a little square box. All the space I had. It's over, but it's okay. I'm excited about my new room, even though it's tiny. Yeah, I had so much space here. I like this. I wore this hat recently. It's frustrating. I just packed up the last little bit of stuff in my storage. It's so tight. There it is. It is a tiny little storage space. But hopefully I can get rid of a bunch of stuff at the apartment because the mission is minimalization. I'm gonna need some guidance, I believe. I wanna get rid of stuff, but then I don't wanna let it go. It's difficult. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go to the house, unload the car, and we're gonna stop the video right there and we'll pick up at another time because I feel like this is a long enough video. This is gonna be a series. This is gonna be a journey for me. One worth it because whenever I move again, it'll be easy. I got a little braid hanging out here. It's just hanging out. We gonna put you away. All right, guys, I just showered and now I am cozy and comfy and I'm ready to eat. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm going to pick up on my next one tomorrow morning. As soon as I finish braiding my hair because sis can't go around with her hair half braided, wearing a hat all the time. So that's gonna be my first order of business. And once I finish braiding my hair, we're going to get into this closet of mine, okay? I've already gotten rid of, I believe, probably 40% of the clothes I own. And this is what's left. So you can imagine I had a bunch. But I can do better. There's a lot of things in here I don't wear. I like them. I like to look at them whenever I want to look at them. But I don't want to look at them. I just don't have the space. So I have to just really purge, and it's difficult. I'm gonna need you to join me and support me, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow. And for now, I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Normally I say, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I can't honestly say I enjoyed it, but you guys made it fun. So I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.